Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a RoboBet account. First, navigate to the official RoboBet website. Look for the Register or Sign Up button, usually located prominently on the home page, and click it. You will then be prompted to create a unique username and a strong password. Remember to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, enter a valid email address, which will be used for account verification and important communications. Next, you'll need to fill out the registration form with your personal information. This typically includes your full legal name and your date of birth, ensuring you meet the minimum age requirement. After submitting these details, check your email inbox for a verification link from RoboBet. Clicking this link confirms your email address and helps secure your account. For full access and withdrawal capabilities, you might be asked to complete a Know Your Customer, or KIC, process, which involves providing identification documents. Account security is paramount, so I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, as soon as your account is active. This adds an extra layer of protection. Once secured, you can proceed to deposit funds. RoboBet primarily accepts cryptocurrencies, with popular choices like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin readily available. Navigate to the cashier or deposit section, select your preferred cryptocurrency, and follow the clear on-screen instructions to transfer your funds securely into your new account. With your account set up, secured, and funded, you are now ready to explore the exciting world of RoboBet. First, confirm that your deposit has been successfully processed and your balance reflects the added funds. Then, take some time to browse through the extensive selection of games, from slots to live dealer options. Always remember to gamble responsibly. Set personal limits on your spending and time to ensure a fun and safe experience. Enjoy playing on RoboBet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.